friends, Running Kimono here. So we're talking about some hot clearance over at Walgreens, including $1.49 Neutrogena lip products and other really cheap, fancy skin lotions and creams and cleaners. With clearance, it's always a year mileage may vary. What I'm noticing is probably easier to go in store to look for some of these prices than doing it online. So let's hop right into it. The first thing you're going to do is load this coupon, and it's for a Neutrogena like lip face mask product. As you see, it expires tomorrow. I already used this because I did the deal. I was so delighted to find this. So there is one Neutrogena lip product for $12.99 at 50% off at $6.49. That $5 coupon is in fact attaching, making it $1.49. So if you've ever been curious, I'm just trying to stock up on these because I have a lot of sister-in-laws, and I thought that would make an excellent, I like to make little beauty bags for them for the holidays. I thought this would make an excellent little thing to throw in. It's a newer product, really interesting. They're also super cute. So if you've ever been curious, definitely toss this on the list. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. Yesterday when I was in store, kind of rushing. So I didn't have the usual time to scan every single item to ensure that coupons are attaching. So if you wanted to do that, by all means, and share in the comments down below, like if things are attaching and if you're getting something, say $2 or less or $5 or less. Let us know in the comments down below. I could not scan everything, but a lot of items in the Neutrogena line, I'm not sure if they're shrinkflating it or what's going on, but it's a lot of this. And especially if you like it, I would definitely stock up. This line, number 7, they always have very generous coupons. Again, this girl was rushing, so I couldn't scan every single barcode to figure out if coupons were attaching, but this is one I would definitely scan for. Lots of toners and facial cleansers as well. We have Thayer's and the Garnier Micellar Waters, always very popular. And then Roche, $17.99, which is still really expensive. A lot of this stuff, if there's a bunch on the shelf, they're not going to fly. So you might want to wait till it goes 75. That Age Perfect at 12 o'clock for $14.99. I'm kicking myself for not buying it. I love that product, but I need a coupon or I'm like, I don't want it. And another L'Oreal product. I don't have any L'Oreal coupons right now. Do you guys have any? Because I certainly don't. Also, moonwalk down the aisle with the detergent. If your store has a lot of stuff at 50% off, a lot of scent beads and stuff. Unfortunately, they cleared all that stuff out about a month ago or so here, but I know in some markets it's getting cleared out, so walk down that aisle and see what they might have. Okay, a lot of batteries also 50% off. We have the Walgreens generic. If you had $20 in Walgreens cash and you wanted to stock up on, the double or AAA batteries, I think it's the way to go. A lot of these Duracells, 50% off, and people are not buying them, which is really interesting because they keep keeping them in the clearance area. In that dollar spot aisle, they are clearing out a lot of the Walgreens generic cups, straws, plates, those good products, and a lot of baby stuff too, that were $1.25 down to 49 cents, and some of this stuff is 75 cents as well. But if you want to stock up on this stuff, it's a lot of baby stuff. This is a lavender refill for one of those Airwick plugs for 49 cents. That's a very good price point. These little discs of the Dove men's lotion for 79 cents as well. And the Chlor-Allen floor cleaner for 79 cents in 2 different flavors. And then a lot of the summer stuff is a weird percentage off. I think it's like 30% off. I don't know. It's not even 50% off. But a lot of like napkins, cups, party stuff, they've already started to tag that down. Last year, as I recall, it went to 90. Because they really wanted this stuff gone. Like a display like this where there's 600 sets of those little slippers, they're going to be there when they go 90. So I would put the brakes on that. We have this little pool thing for $21.99. Use $20 in Walgreens cash, make your kids' weekend. And some stuff is not tagged yet. So I would definitely ask for a price check if you wanted one of these characters with the balloons. They look super duper cute. Lots of cups as well. And I think even at the price points they have them at, nothing's moving. A lot of food as well. The 4th of July patriotic. Some of these candies, 70 cents from 2.79. The deal with the Sprite and the Takis, they have since pulled it. I think it should have been a smaller bag of Takis, not the 9.9 ounce bag, but they have pulled it. But this is Skittles with Fuego, which is equally as spicy if that's your thing. Take off, I'm just going to show you a little sneak peek of full price Halloween. Walgreens nailed it, got it out of the park. This is so much cuter than Dollar General, CVS, any of the stores, even Walmart. As I have I lost it? But like, look at that little look at those cups. They are adorable. And if you are a Disney fan, look at that and the cute little pumpkin. I can't wait till all this stuff goes 90 or 80% off. Gilmore Girls, haven't seen it yet. They have another display of like slippers and blankets and all that good stuff. If you're a fan of Gilmore Girls, be on the lookout for that because that stuff gets sold out really, really quickly. That's it for this video. Good luck out there, guys. Bye.